Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Mbali Talks, where we talk all things side hustles, how to make money online, and just generally how you can gain a bit of financial freedom for yourself. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't be shy to join the Mbali Talks community by just hitting the subscribe button. And if you've been with us since day one, thank you so very much for coming back. You guys are the reason the channel stays alive. In today's video, I want to share with you some companies that you can check out if you're looking for a remote work from home job that pays really well. For most of the companies that I'm going to mention in this video, it's companies that are offering part-time to full-time jobs. So it's not like quick money online that you can make in a minute. No, it's actually real jobs, real careers for people that are looking for a consistent income and or even an actual full-time job. If this sounds like something that you're looking for, then you have landed on the right video, and without wasting any more of your time, let's just get into it. The first company that we're going to talk about if you're looking for a remote work from home job opportunity that pays really well is a company called RWS. RWS is basically a content company that offers different services around the world, as you guys are going to see. They work with localization, content creation, artificial intelligence, as well as intellectual property services. So if you're interested in any of these services, whether it's training AI and or creating content, etc., then RWS is definitely the company for you. When I landed on the website, I realized that there's actually two ways for them to be able to work with you remotely from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is to come and click this careers tab here, which will take you to the next page that we're going to talk about. Once you click the careers tab, you will come here onto this page where you're going to see that they offer different opportunities. They have global opportunities. They have something also called freelance opportunities, which are the two different ways that you would be able to be hired on RWS as a part-time and or a full-time employee working remotely from anywhere in the world. If you click search jobs on the global opportunities one, you're going to come onto this page where you can actually put in your location, like I'm going to do here. So you can either look up for the job using its category or position type or location. I decided to choose location because I just always feel like it's the fastest way for me to be able to see if there are any jobs that are actually offered from my side of the world. As you scroll down these locations, you're going to realize the fact that not only do they list the country, say for example Portugal, they will also say remote Portugal, which means there are opportunities in actual Portugal that are obviously in office types of jobs. However, if you're looking for more of a remote opportunity, you will focus on the ones that are written remote. So I scrolled all the way to find this South Africa tab because obviously again, this is where I'm actually making this video from. Click the search button and I landed on this one opportunity that they currently have, which is for a language specialist in Afrikaans. So if you're in South Africa, you speak English, you know Afrikaans, this is a job opportunity that you can actually look into. The second opportunity for you to be able to make money and or to create a part-time job for yourself on RWS is for you to come to these freelance opportunities that they have here. So we're going to click the search jobs tab here and see where that lands us for freelance opportunities. When you click on their freelance page, you land on this one where you can actually even start applying just from the get-go by filling out this entire form that is on the website with your location, your country, obviously your first name, your surname, your business email, your country of residence, etc. So the different job opportunities that are available on RWS for freelancers include translation, localization, as well as AI data services for some of the world's largest companies, which basically means you can do any of these three as a freelance opportunity on RWS. So if you're looking for a part-time job, then definitely check out RWS for either full-time positions like the one that we actually checked out first and or freelance opportunities just like this one. The next company that you can look into if you're looking for a remote work from home job is a company called Concentric. This is not the first time that I've actually mentioned Concentric on Mbali Talks. It's just that I saw that they had actually changed a bit of the kind of services that they actually offer, therefore meaning that they've expanded the type of job opportunities that they actually offer. When you come onto their website, you're going to realize that Concentric is actually a customer service company that has turned into an IT company. So they now do both customer service as well as provide IT support for businesses around the world. At a glance, you can see that they say here they work with over 2,000 clients in 6 different continents with 70 plus countries as well as 150 plus spoken languages, which already tells you that this is a global company. To see the kind of opportunities that are available on Concentric, we're just going to click this careers tab right here. By clicking the careers tab, we land on this page here where they talk about having 3,021 jobs in over 75 countries. You can either search for a job using the title and or a keyword, or my personal favorite, you can actually use the location by just putting in your country and or your city to see if there are any jobs that are actually available. As you guys can already see coming up here, Concentric has already picked up the fact that I am in South Africa using the IP address that obviously I am working with. So I'm going to click on continue so that we can see the kind of job opportunities that may be available in my part of the world. Currently on Concentric, there are 9 different job opportunities for people that are in South Africa. If you're a facilities manager, there's a job opportunity for you. You can also go into customer service. You can also be an operations manager if that's something that you're qualified for. And as you guys can see, these jobs are based in different cities around South Africa. I know that most of the time you find if it's a global company and they have any remote job opportunities in South Africa, they are more often than not based in Cape Town. But on Concentric, there's jobs in Johannesburg, there's a job in Cape Town, there's a job in Durban, etc. There are again 9 different positions that you can check out currently on Concentric for you to choose if you are in my country. But if you are not in my country, all you have to do on the location tab that we saw previously in the video, just like up here, you can come and click here to choose the country and or the city that you're in order for you to be able to see the kind of job opportunities that are actually available. And again, guys, as I mentioned, for the companies that I mentioned in this video, there are companies that are for people who are looking for real jobs, like a full-time job or even sometimes a part-time job if you want, say, maybe freelancer opportunities like what we saw on RWS. So please only check out these companies if you're somebody who's ready to go through the process of actually updating your CV, applying for a job, attending the interviews online, and therefore being able to land yourself a job that again is probably going to be paying you in dollars because this is an American company. But if you're looking for a remote job opportunity, then definitely check out Concentric as one of the companies that are willing to hire you. The next company that we're going to look at if you're looking for a remote work from home job is called Teleperformance. Teleperformance is basically just a customer service company that has different positions around the world for people that are either in marketing and sales and or even customer service itself. Not only that, I do know that for some of the positions that are actually offered that I saw here, they are also willing to hire people with no experience at all. And also sometimes to be a customer service rep, you don't even have to have any qualification or certificate. However, another thing that I did like on Teleperformance is the fact that they actually do offer services for you to be able to get certified as a certified customer service rep. As you can see on their website, they work with over 70 countries and they hire from over 100 countries around the world, and they have a staff complement of over 500,000 team members, which is basically where you come in. In order to find a job on Teleperformance, we're going to click on this careers tab in order to see the kind of job opportunities that they're actually offering for remote work from home jobs. Upon clicking the careers tab, it will bring you onto this page where you can either choose to work from home or you can look for job opportunities that are more in-house. But because we are looking for work from home opportunities, we're obviously going to click this tab here. Teleperformance says work from wherever you live. They have exciting work from home opportunities which are now within reach. They search for top talent wherever you live to assemble the most collaborative, engaged, and high-performing teams. Again, Teleperformance is basically a customer service company which is going to hire you for different customer service rep positions. They do have a video here that kind of explains a bit on how you can actually join them and also the kind of services that they actually offer so that you can get an idea of the kind of job that you're actually going to be doing. Then as you scroll down, they do give you this tab where you can either search where you are from, like I'm going to do here, in order to see the kind of job opportunities that are actually available in your country, in your region, in your city. Currently in South Africa, they have the following job opportunities: a luxury customer service representative, a CSA impact sourcing agent. And as you guys can see, a lot of the jobs that are actually listed here are written full time. So these are job opportunities for people that feel like, you know what, I've been struggling to find a job, or I'm a new graduate, or in fact, I'm actually graduating next year, so I'd actually like to start ahead in the job market. Then you can definitely come on Teleperformance to see the kind of jobs that they actually offer. And remember, I only put South Africa just as a location to show the example of the kind of jobs that they actually offer. But you can always put your city and your country in order for you to see the kind of customer service jobs that are actually available on a platform like Teleperformance. But I just feel like it's one of those companies that you can look into if you are looking for a remote work from home job that actually pays well. Sadly, with all that said, I've actually come to the end of this video. I do hope that you found this video valuable. Please do reward me for all the work that has gone into the video by just hitting the like button. And if you haven't already, don't be shy. Just hit the subscribe button to join the Mbali Talks community so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. And in order for you to be able to do that, you also need to remember to leave your notification bell on for the channel, again, so that it can notify you the next time we have another video. Otherwise, I wish you guys all the best in finding remote work from home opportunities in order for you to be able to either make money for yourself online on the side and or to actually start a career for yourself. I will see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.